Afternoon, Johnson's class. Converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Are you guys able to convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions?
Yes.
Sweet. Fraction is what kind of problem? A whole number is above the number what?
0.
And it does not have any extra parts. A mixed number is a combination of what and what? So here's my whole number, yeah? And here's my fraction, yeah? Improper fractions are fractions, except for they're improper. What makes them improper? Raise your hand. Ryan, really loud. The numerator, so this 5, is bigger than the denominator, this 2. That makes them improper, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Converting mixed numbers to an improper fraction, we use a process called? So we have 2 and 1/2, yes?
Yes.
So we're going to go from the 2 to the denominator 2, yes? And we're going to multiply, right?
Yes.
What's 2 times 2?
4.
And then we're going to take that 4 and we're going to add the numerator to it. What's 4 plus 1?
5.
That's going to be the numerator in my improper fraction, right?
Yes.
The denominator is going to be 2 because the denominator over here is also 2, right? All right. 2 and 1/2, yes?
Yes.
How many full pizzas do you see here?
2.
How many half pizzas do you see?
1.
So we've got 1, 1, 1/2. That's 2 and 1/2, right?
Yeah.
But we also said it's the same as 5 halves, yes?
Yes.
How many half pizzas do we have?
1.
Wait. How many half pizzas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We actually have 5 pizzas that are cut in half, right?
Yes.
So when I say 5 halves, I'm talking about 5 half pizzas. That's why I drew this line here, yes? Another example, 4 and 3/4. Here's your pizzas. Here's your improper. Number 9. What's a fraction again?
Division problem.
So if I have an improper fraction like 5/2, what number is going to go inside the box?
5.
The numerator are the 5, right? And then the denominator is going to go outside the box, right?
Yes.
So this 2 goes outside the box. Do your math. Here's your leftover. You got 2 and 1/2, right?
Yes.
What can I use if I have a 2-digit divisor?
Calculator.
We good?
Yes.